Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net and today let's do the benchmark and gaming review video of the Nokia 7.1. So this phone runs on the latest Android Pie, has a Snapdragon 636 processor, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, has 3060 mAh of battery and a HDR screen which is known as the pure display. So this phone screen is just too brilliant to use. Here's the phone itself. You can see the fingerprint scanner on this phone is pretty quick. You just keep your hand and it just unlocks very quickly. So we ran the Antutu benchmark and we got a score of 1,17,586, which is a pretty good score as this phone has Snapdragon 636 mobile processor. This one's pretty good in day-to-day life and also manages the battery pretty well. So you can expect some good battery life and a good performance out of the smartphone. Talking about the gaming part, we'll start with the low-end game to high-end game. So we'll start with the Temple Run 2, then we'll go with the Dead Trigger, followed by Asphalt 9, and at last with the Mortal Kombat X. As you can see, we have started the game and the display just looks too amazing. You can see from even side angles, the display just looks brilliant. So we are now playing the game on full volume and you can assess the sound quality of the smartphone. So now let us check out our next game, which is a Dead Trigger 2. So you can see the sound quality is also just excellent. You get a good sound, and while playing in landscape mode you don't tend to cover the speaker as the speaker is in right side. So as you can see, the graphic also looks pretty good in this, and overall the gaming experience will be pretty great in the smartphone with this amazing screen quality and the loud sound. Now let us check out our next game on the list, which is the Asphalt 9. So next game on our list is the Mortal Kombat X. that was the quick video on the benchmark and the gaming of the Nokia 7.1. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, that's the Trendy Blog. Check out our website, which is www.trendyblog.net, to check out more such cool reviews. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. We'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.